Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can improve the quality of your videos on CapCut PC. So first I'm just going to copy and paste it, and on the second one go to adjustments and go to curves, and you're going to do exactly the same thing that I am doing here. You're just going to move the left dot to the very top and the right dot to the very bottom. It's so simple actually. Whoops. It's just very hard to see the full. Okay, there you go. Then we're going to go to the effects tab and we're going to add in the blur effect. You can adjust it. I'm just going to leave it at like 40-ish. Go back to the video, go to basic and go to video here, go to blend mode and select the burn. It's gonna look weird, but that's because you have the opacity turned all the way. Just like adjust it a little bit. Then you're going to kind of make this overlay. Go to library and add in a white stock video. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it and delete the rest. Adjust it to the size and add in a black stock video. Again, if it's not long enough, just freeze frame it, but mine's enough. Go to the mask and select split, and you're going to split it this way. Then you're going to feather it out by a lot and you're going to bring this down. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and add it on top of your videos. Again, if it's too short, just freeze frame it so you can adjust it. Go to blend mode and select the overlay. And again, if it's too much, just adjust it from the color burn as well as the overlay here. Let's see if the linear burn one is a little bit better. Okay, just select linear burn one actually. Then you're going to select the original video, go to adjustments, scroll down, adjust the saturation, adjust the brightness of the video and the contrast as well, and sharpen your video and also add in some clarity, but not by a lot because it's going to look a little bit weird. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!